So good day guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ola Hustle. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to learn coding with some app, and the only coding that these apps can help you. The one you can learn CSS with this app, learn HTML, learn Python, and learn JavaScript. So let's keep moving. So now you are going to just scroll up. As you can see, I only have three: learn CSS, learn HTML, and learn JavaScript. In case you want to download the Learn Python, you can also download the Learn Python. So let me be showing you guys how the apps look like. So let's click on Learn CSS. Let it load. And in this app, you can't code on it. If you want to code on it, if you want to code on this app, you have to upgrade to premium. But if you want to learn, it's actually for free. You click on this lesson in this downside here. Click on lesson. As you can see, these are so many topics about CSS and every other thing about CSS. This is how the learn HTML this app also look like, the learn JavaScript. This is how they all look like. You have to upgrade to try to edit on it, to like code on it. But the lessons are for free in all the apps. So let me show you guys. This is how the thing is. This CSS list we are opening. Look at it. They'll teach you based on what is happening. See it. They'll even give you some examples for you to try out. This is how, even in the Python, this is how you click on your lessons. And if you want to edit, like if you want to code on your phone, I have another app that does this for free. If you want to code on your phone, in case you don't have money to pay on this app, you can go to the other app. So let me show you the app. The name of the app is called Treb Edit. Look at it here, Treb Edit. Let me be showing guys the app. You can see, look at what they wrote here, Treb Edit. Look at the code I've been making on this Treb Edit. Look at it. As you can see, look at what I've been coding on the Treb Edit. As you can see, this is what this is what I've been like coding on the Treb Edit. I'm actually tired, but I actually know how to trade. This does some part about it. So if you want to see, if you just click on this thing that look like a CD here, just click and save it like that. See, it will save. Then if you want to like view your code, you click on display here to view how the thing is. As you can see, this is how it will look like. Yes. So thank you guys for staying me to this part of this video. Please kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.